Right.
Yeah.
All
All the
okay,
other ones remain in the state and protected by the system that they have.
Fine. That
And then you could remove all the other part, which is positive isolation.
And other?
You remove all of
Are under operation. Is it correct?
Correct.
Is it the correct word you are saying process upset?
It's part of the process offset. The first part, you can remove it.
Is not a credible scenario. Is not a credible scenario, right?
Yes. Yes.
Mid-directed flow to other bullet is not a credible scenario during depressurization. Correct. And why it is not? Then we say that one bullet is depressurized at one point of time, while other bullets are under operation, right?
Yeah.
Right. Good, guys.
You can remove everything that is underneath there. You can take that part and put under cause, even don't put under consequence.
Sorry, Sylvester, what do you say?
Okay, remove positive isolation, confine.
Sylvester, your voice is sometimes I'm not getting, man. I don't know. There is a problem from my side.
I'm not sure what, but remove positive isolation. What you have in the last bit there, positive isolation, just remove that.
Okay. Even this also, you remove this.
Remove all of that. And then you could take all of what you have there under cause. After depressurization, you put enter and you just put it underneath there. Put full stop and then put that one there. No, don't put it there. Don't put positive isolation. So under consequence, don't put anything under consequence. Just remove it. Remove everything there and add it there. Put flaws, then you put it, just paste it there and remove the other one.
I remove this? I remove this?
Yes.
Oh, good. It is okay now?
I think that's fine.
Okay. Well, guys, thank you. At least we aligned after half an hour. Thank you. High pressure.
No, we can still write it too, because we're doubling misdirected flow. We're writing it twice there, but that we can do later. Let's not take too much time on this.
Yeah, for this case, high pressure we have ruled out, so there is no scenario. Low pressure, no credible scenario, not applicable. High temperature, not applicable. Low temperature, refer. There was we referred no flow. Refer